What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We got another book here. Let's see. I remember these books as a kid. I remember the little golden little sidings on them. I remember these books and they were the best. It's a little golden book. It is called Barney, Catch That Hat. Great. On a windy day, Barney and BJ were flying kites in the park. Suddenly, BJ pointed to the big clock and shouted, "I've got to go. I promised to meet Baby Bop at the playground at 12 o'clock. When the big hand and the little hand both point to 12. I don't want to be late. But just then the wind blew BJ's hat high into the air. He called to Barney, "Let's catch my hat before I'm late, or Baby Bop will have to wait." BJ caught up with his hat, but it hopped away. "Oops," said Barney, "your hat landed on a bunny." As BJ chased the bunny, he called again, "Let's catch my hat before I'm late, or Baby Bop will have to wait." Soon, Barney and BJ found the bunny, but the hat was gone. Barney looked around and then pointed up toward the branch of the tree. "Look, BJ, that bird took your hat for her nest," he said. Just as BJ reached for his hat, the wind blew it away again. The hat sailed like a kite out of a park and landed in a wagon. BJ raced up the path yelling, "Let's catch my hat before I'm late, or Baby Bop will have to wait." BJ and Barney hurried after the boy in his wagon. They finally caught up with him just as BJ's hat blew away onto a passing car. "Oh no," said BJ. "It got away again." Luckily, the car stopped for a red light. BJ's hat flew off the car and landed on a shiny fire truck as it rushed down the street. "Oh, hey," moaned BJ. "We'll never catch a fire truck." As the fire truck roared away, the hat blew up into the air again and landed on a passing bicycle. Barney and BJ caught up with the bicycle at the next corner, but then just as the girl was handling his hat, a puff of wind snatched it away again. "Oh no," shouted BJ. "Let's catch my hat before I'm late, or Baby Bop will have to wait." Will BJ ever get that hat back and meet Baby Bop on time? I don't know. Barney and BJ didn't want to be late, so they hurried to the playground there on the other side of the trees. BJ was happy to see Baby Bop put his hat on Baby Bop's head. BJ was also happy to see that both hands on the clock were pointing to 12. He shouted happily to his sister, "You caught my hat and I'm not late. Now we can play. Boy, this is great." So Barney, Baby Bop, and BJ played in the park all afternoon. BJ had this super duper fun with his red hat on his head the whole time. Alright, that found its way, and BJ was not late. Alrighty, everybody, that's the end of the book. Now remember, be kind, be an awesome human, and I hope y'all have a great day.